Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. I'm still in Hawaii, Honolulu, Waikiki. Look at the ocean view behind me. I'm sorry I'm doing this patio because the room itself is kind of boring. You really don't want to see the room, but you definitely want to see the ocean view here. Today's video, I want to show you what skincare that you should bring with you when you travel. And if you're planning to travel soon, you must watch this video. There's a lot of great tips I can't wait to share with you. Let's get started. If this is the first time you watch my video, hello, I am Steve J and welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is really focused on beauty and skincare. In fact, 90% of content will be focused on that. And my background is beauty. I have been in the cosmetic industry for over 26 years. I work from makeup artist, beauty consultant, business manager, all the way up to a country trainer for super prestige skincare SK2 for the last 10 years. Last 2 years ago, I left SK2, started my own skincare company called Yibu Beauty. So check it out, my own skincare. If you like what you hear and you want to learn more about beauty content, definitely subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell so you know the time I release my video. Since I'm here in Hawaii, I get a lot of people messaging me privately say that you guys are planning a trip coming up, what you should be bringing for your skincare. So I want to share kind of with you what I think is really great for travel. Are you only gonna do carry-on luggage or are you gonna do check-in? Because if you're gonna do check-ins, you don't need me to tell you what to bring. You can bring everything because there's a lot more room. But I really want to focus on carry-on because carry-on is really limited what you can carry. I look at this. If you're doing a trip less than 5 days, you can definitely do carry-on skincare. And I would definitely do a multi-purpose skincare. So for example, don't bring a cleanser and toner, just use your cleanser. Don't bring the eye cream if you have a face cream. Don't bring sunblock if you have a BB cream for sunblock. And that's how I want to show you guys. A lot of people ask me that it's okay I use the soap from hotel to wash my face. It is totally okay. Especially they'll usually give you a face soap. It's not that big of a deal. So today is gonna be pretty much SK2 heavy because I have some SK2 with me. I travel with them, so it's really, really great. The first one I want to show you is the facial treatment essence. It's a skin balancing essence. It doesn't matter your skin type, skin condition, where you're going to be at. This is perfect. It don't even need toner. You just need the essence press on the skin. It is a multi-purpose, meaning that you can put this on a cotton pad. Anywhere you have a dryness, you can use as hydration mask. Why not, right? Multitasking. Now, second one I have here is SK2 RNA Power Moisturizer. This is the older version. They do have a new version right now, but they do. But I want to show you they have a travel set you can purchase at Sephora or SK2.com or any type of travel size moisturizer. This is a lightweight. It's anti-aging. There's no sunblock in there, which is perfect. So you can use this day and night, and in the morning just put on your sunblock. That's pretty easy, right? You don't need to worry about that. And if you don't have any major concern around the eye area, just use this around the eye. You're gonna be fine. You don't even need eye cream. If you have a room for a face mask, I definitely recommend you bring the SK2 facial treatment mask. So this is the 1 ounce facial treatment essence, $30–40. 1 ounce of essence is in 1 piece face mask. So this is great for intense hydration. It doesn't matter where you travel to, but when you land to the location, your skin will be so dehydrated. Even if I'm in Hawaii right now, the first time my skin's really, really dry because all the air, travel is really dry on my skin. Facial treatment mask is definitely my go-to mask when I travel. Intense hydrations. It's just wonderful, wonderful face mask. If you don't have the face mask, like I said, you can pour this on a cotton pad and make it as a mask for yourself. But I wouldn't put all over your face, it's too expensive. I will only focus on the area you have a dryness. That's what I will do. And these are easy to pack. You can pack, if you do a 5-day trip, all you need is 2 masks. So easy, easy. This one thing is I want to show you is a dry oil. I always take dry oil with me. This is by NUXE. I think that's how you pronounce that. This is a multi-purpose dry oil. I bought this in Paris and it's absolutely amazing. You can use on anything, on your face, on your body, on your feet, on your hair. You can mix with foundation. It just really gives your skin hydration but without feeling oily. So this comes out really fine mist. I don't know, can you see it? Like that. Then you just put this on the skin. I usually put this all over my body before I bore. So this way my body was covered by this dry oil on my body. So the skin can maintain hydration. I don't dry out as much. And the best way to use this is when you check into the hotel, when you take a shower, before you completely dry your whole body, just mist this everywhere your body, including your face. And just then the paddle dry massage in, then towel dry. That's the best. And you're gonna love me for sharing this product with you. This company is being in the business for I don't know how many years. And I first introduced was when I was in Paris a couple of years ago. And recently I bought another bottle at the skinstore.com. And you can use my code Steve10, I believe, and get 10% off too. So I'll put a link below so you can check it out. This is fantastic. Speaking about sunblock, you have to bring a sunblock. But I found that the best way to do is to buy a sunblock with BB cream. It's a BB, so this one is a Purlisse. I got this from the beauty box a couple weeks ago. And so this is this from Beauty Balm with SPF 40. So let me show you guys here right now. I'll do it right here. Because so this is the Beauty Balm here. So I want to cover my skin, but I don't want to feel like wearing heavy duty makeup. And this has sunblock in there, so this is fantastic that when you're doing traveling. And not only add a sun protector, also has a makeup benefits in there. See? Pretty cool, right? Yes, and the reason why it looks so good in here right now is because I just sprayed the oil on my hand, so the makeup goes on much more nicer. So let me show you this hand right here. There's no oil. You're gonna notice that the makeup is more noticeable. I don't know, can you see it? This looks more natural, this looks more noticeable. And it's because the oil on the skin. So yeah, I definitely like the product I have here with me when I travel. You must be wondering, yesterday I released a video what I pack with me. So those are the products I really do pack with me. I use them, but I have this as emergency and also for content purpose. So yeah. I hope that doesn't confuse you guys. And I believe that SK2 do sell this on their website. I'm going to put a link below. You can buy, I think it's $99, and this will last for you a week. And the NUXE, the dry oil, the oil you can buy from the skinstore.com. Use my code, you get 10% off. I think it's still working. I'll put a link below. And this Purlisse is just a brand. It's a pretty popular brand. It's very affordable pricing. I'll put the information below too if you're interested to buy this. So I hope that you like today's video. Share with you what skincare you should pack, and this all fitting in that sandwich bag. So yeah. All right, let me know what you think about today's video. Leave a comment below, like this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh, if you know any cool place in Hawaii, Honolulu, Waikiki area, definitely leave a comment below, let me know. I'll be here until Thursday morning before I leave. We don't leave until 10 o'clock in the morning, so I still have like 2 full days right here. I can explore the area. So yay. Oh, by the way, totally forgot. Thank you for some of you went on my Instagram and shared with me some amazing location for food, and I want to say thank you so much. Okay, that's it, final. Talk to you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.